Welcome to Welch Estates in Mobile, Alabama. This beautiful gold fortified home was built by Prime Design Homes. It features 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's over 1,500 square feet. Granite countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths. It's an open floor concept, great for entertaining. The primary suite offers dual vanities, a spacious walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. Luxury vinyl plank throughout the living areas, tiled bathrooms, and a private backyard. Don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance. And the builder is paying up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs. Call today for your private showing. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.